Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into Amazon's best-selling AI health and wellness products in the $100 to $500 range. After extensive research, I've identified the top contenders in the personalized health testing space, and the results might surprise you. We're talking about cutting-edge technology that promises to revolutionize how you understand your body using artificial intelligence and advanced analytics. Let's break down the top three players in this rapidly growing market. Taking the number one spot on Amazon's bestseller list with a 3.7-star rating from 128 customers, the Viome at-home oral microbiome test kit represents the evolution of personalized health testing. But here's what makes this stand out from typical DNA tests. This is microbiome analysis using AI-driven RNA sequencing. Unlike standard DNA testing that just tells you what microorganisms are present, Viome's metatranscriptomic technology analyzes which microbes are actually active in your system. We're talking about AI analysis of your oral microbiome, the community of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms living in your mouth that dramatically impact your overall health. Viome's proprietary AI system analyzes your results against an extensive database of scientific research and customer data. The system provides personalized recommendations for over 200 targeted ingredients, custom probiotics, and supplements. What's remarkable is their FDA-approved oral cancer screening capability. They're the only microbiome testing company with this advanced detection technology. Here are the pros. Advanced RNA sequencing technology provides real-time microbial activity data. FDA breakthrough device designation for cancer screening. Comprehensive analysis beyond just bacteria. It includes fungi, archaea, parasites, and viruses. Custom-tailored supplement and probiotic recommendations. Strong scientific backing with continuous AI improvements. And the cons. Higher price point at $279. Results can be complex for users without a scientific background. Processing takes 2 to 3 weeks. Additional marketplace reports cost extra. Our first serious challenger comes in at $299 and takes a completely different approach. The 3x4 Test Plus Health app delivers comprehensive genetic analysis with AI-powered health insights. The 3x4 test analyzes your DNA to provide a detailed health blueprint across multiple wellness categories. While Viome focuses on your current microbiome activity, 3x4 digs into your genetic predispositions. Their analysis covers 6 critical health areas: weight balance, heart health, blood sugar regulation, brain health, fitness and tissue health, and hormone health. The accompanying app provides personalized recommendations based on your genetic makeup. The test analyzes genetic variants that influence how your body processes nutrients, responds to exercise, and manages various health challenges. The app transforms complex genetic data into actionable insights with custom meal plans, exercise recommendations, and supplement guidance. Here are the pros. Comprehensive genetic blueprint covers multiple health aspects. User-friendly app with personalized action plans. Lifetime genetic insights because your DNA doesn't change. Includes detailed reports on metabolism, detoxification, and inflammation. Professional-grade analysis often used by healthcare practitioners. And the cons. Focuses on genetic predisposition rather than current health status. Limited to DNA analysis. Doesn't include microbiome insights. Premium features may require additional costs. Results require time investment to understand and implement. Coming in at the most accessible price point, the Ombre Gut Health Test Kit, formerly known as Thrive, offers comprehensive gut microbiome analysis at $229.99 with a 3.6-star rating from 104 Amazon customers. Ombre uses 16S rRNA sequencing to analyze your gut bacteria and provide practical recommendations for digestive health improvement. While not as advanced as Viome's RNA sequencing, it still delivers valuable insights at a significantly lower cost. The platform excels at turning microbiome data into actionable dietary advice. Users receive personalized food recommendations, custom probiotic suggestions, and insights into immune system health. The test provides a detailed breakdown of good and bad bacteria with specific guidance for addressing issues like bloating, constipation, and digestive problems. Here are the pros. Most affordable option at $229.99. Simple, straightforward results that are easy to understand. Strong focus on practical dietary recommendations. Custom probiotic formulations available. Subscribe and save option reduces cost to $206.99. And the cons. Limited to bacterial analysis. It doesn't detect fungi, viruses, or parasites like Viome. 16S sequencing is less comprehensive than RNA analysis. Slower processing times compared to competitors. Some users report inconsistent results and customer service issues. No advanced AI features for disease screening. So let's break down the head-to-head comparison. In terms of technology and accuracy, Viome takes the crown with its advanced RNA sequencing and AI-driven analysis. The technology provides the most comprehensive view of active microorganisms and includes FDA-approved cancer screening. 3x4 offers solid genetic analysis, but focuses on predisposition rather than current status. Ombre provides adequate bacterial analysis, but lacks the depth of its competitors. When it comes to actionability, all three platforms provide personalized recommendations, but they differ in approach. Viome offers the most comprehensive supplement and probiotic customization. 3x4 excels in genetic-based lifestyle recommendations. Ombre focuses on practical dietary changes and is often easier for beginners to understand and implement. Looking at value proposition, Viome at $279 delivers premium technology with the most comprehensive analysis. 3xF4 at $299 offers lifetime genetic insights with professional-grade recommendations. Ombre at $229.99 provides a budget-friendly option with solid practical value. In terms of user experience, Ombre wins for simplicity and ease of understanding. Viome provides the most detailed data but can overwhelm users. 3x4 strikes a good balance with its intuitive app interface. So, which should you choose? For comprehensive health optimization, Viome at Home Oral Microbiome Test Kit is the top pick. Viome deservedly holds the #1 spot on Amazon's bestseller list. The combination of advanced RNA sequencing, AI-driven analysis, and FDA-approved cancer screening capabilities make this the most scientifically advanced option. While the $279 price tag is higher, you're getting cutting-edge technology that analyzes active microorganisms and provides the most personalized recommendations. For long-term health planning, 3x4 Test Plus Health app is the way to go. If you're focused on understanding your genetic predispositions and creating a lifetime health strategy, 3x4 offers excellent value. The genetic insights don't change over time, making this a one-time investment for lifelong guidance. For budget-conscious beginners, the Ombre Gut Health Test Kit provides solid value at the most accessible price point. While not as advanced, it delivers practical insights that can meaningfully improve gut health. The bottom line? Viome's combination of advanced AI technology, comprehensive analysis, and FDA-approved capabilities justify its position as Amazon's #1 bestseller. For most people serious about optimizing their health through personalized testing, the extra investment in Viome's superior technology pays dividends in more accurate, actionable insights. What's your experience with personalized health testing? Let me know in the comments which product you'd choose and why.